If you got a Yamaha R6 or a Yamaha YZF 600R Thundercat, any model that's similar, and you had the same problem that I had this morning, when I woke up, I went to go moto vlog and it was hard to start it. So I've been having this problem for the last couple of days, and I think I just got to the bottom of it and why it was doing that. So I'm about to show you exactly what I went through and everything that I did to change it. It was quite a few things, but it was one main thing that I believe will help you with your problem. Let's go on in this video. I'm gonna show you what I found. All right, what I did this morning, as you seen in the little short video before I came out, and the vehicle with the motorcycle would actually start. And so what I did is I took the whole gas tank off, the seat off. Make sure you take anytime you're taking your bike apart, make sure you're taking your battery loose. But what I found was that on the gas pump, right up in here, the fuel pump, which sits right here, there was this little hose. There was this little hose that comes off of it that was knocked loose, and it's like some kind of ventilation for it. I hooked that back up. But main thing that I did, and I also cleaned the air filter, but that wasn't really that dirty. But the main thing that I did was this. I found about this in the owner's manual. What this is like an idle control. And so when you turn it right, it's pretty much opening it all the way up, and it's gonna take your idle up higher. And that was basically all the way down. So basically what I had to do was I just basically turned my idle up, because when I start early in the morning, the idle was so low to it actually, it wasn't allowing it to start. It couldn't start at a low idle, but now it starts right up like a charm. Even cold, it started right up. I actually had it up too high at first, but that pretty much, in my opinion, if you're having a start issue and everything else is going smooth, like as far as you check your plugs, all your plugs are good, the car is running fine when it is warm, but you're just having an issue with it while it's cold, check this idle control and turn your idle up some, and that should fix your problem. Don't forget to hit the like button so the algorithm can show this video to more people who are in need to see this video. Also hit subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you are notified every time a video drops. But until next time, keep up.